shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for December 18th. Friday, TGIF. It is Witchy Friday, quadruple witching. All those options are expiring today, which means I have a day off. That's right, I have a day off. All those blocks that are going to be coming in all day long, guess what? They're pretty meaningless. They are just options expiring. The stock that was used with those option trades and futures and all that stuff really expiring. You'll see they end all in zeros mostly. I ignore everything but the dark pool late prints or buy prints, sell prints or buy prints on the major index ETFs, the SPY, the Russell, and the Qs. Once in a while, they throw in a trade that is worth watching, but for the most part, like 90-something% are just useless. So you will not see me doing too many push notifications today. All right, only happens 4 times a week. 4 times a year, every third Friday, major months, quarterly months. Okay, so let's start with the SPY though. It could be witchy. What they like to do a lot of times is have extra volatility. They kind of shake out the longs or shake out the shorts all in one day. So I do recommend you tread lightly. A lot of times we use days like this to get out of existing positions. We use it to our advantage. But if you've had tough times trading through it, don't do it. All right, so we will be bullish above 371 today on the SPY. We got a massive new level, 12 million yesterday, 370.12. So let's see if we close above or below that today. But it could be witchy. So bull above 371. Bear below 370.50 for the SPY. Let's head on over to the Russell. The IWM, we are going to be bullish above 197.25 and bear below 194.74. We did get a new level, 193.75 yesterday, 2 million. Keep in mind this big mama level though, right here, 194.44. That was 2 days ago. That's a big level. So let's see if we can continue to stay above that or not. If we do go below that and below 193.75, I would put on protection. Let's go to the QQQs. QQQs, we are going to be bullish above 312.06. Do not front run that level, okay? Yeah, 312 and a 16th, really important. Bear below 309.80 for the QQQs. And let's head on over to the E-minis. Even if you don't trade the E-minis, I watch these like a hawk all day. In fact, I actually have a chart. Oh, hold on. Right here that I watch. A lot of times I see volume coming in on the E-minis before the SPY or vice versa, but I use the levels on the E-minis to trade the SPY. Okay, so really important to watch these levels. Bullish above 37.25, bear below 37.05. Let's head on over to the NASDAQ futures. Again, if you trade the QQQs, you want to watch the NASDAQ futures. Bull above 12,762 and 50 cents. Bear below 12,725. All right, let's head on over to the oil futures. So I didn't like it yesterday, right? Hated the trade setup, and guess what? It didn't really go anywhere yesterday. But today I mapped out a trade on it. We are going to be bullish above 48.50. We've just gone above that level, by the way. Yeah, we have some more room, a little bit more room. Let me just show you this daily chart. To go to the top of this channel right here. All right, so that's why I've mapped out to 48, 78, 49 area. That would be the top of that trend line. And we will be bearish below 48.25. Let's head on over to the gold futures. Oh. Hot trade yesterday. Hope you guys caught this. Yeah, the gold futures were phenomenal. We're going to be, oh, look at this. We're hitting a trend line right now. Let me just show you the weekly. Oh, you know what? my chart is, my thinkorswim has been acting really weird. Hold on. Let me show you. I'll show you over here. It's doing weird stuff to me. We are hitting this trend line right here. Yeah, this is so key. We're in this bull flag, by the way, if I zoom out. We got the big flag pole right there. So really the breakout is over here. But we're definitely hitting this trend line, right? That starts here and here. So this is so key. This is why we kind of stopped right there and had resistance in this area. But in the next, week or so, if we can break above this, which we did, if you recall last Christmas, major rally on gold, by the way. Oh, this was phenomenal right here. We had this bull flag and we broke out. Okay, in December, 1500 level was the key. Deja vu. Look at that. Does this look similar, you guys? And seasonality is bullish, and we've had massive dark pool prints on gold, and we are above them all. So if history repeats itself, yep, look out for a golden rally into the new year. All right, thought I would share that with you. I remember that trade so well. That was an amazing trade last year. Let's see if it repeats. We're going to be bullish above 1890, and we're going to be bearish below 1880 for the gold futures for a day trade today. But we can't take our eye off crypto. Holy moly, our room is rocking Bitcoin, rocking Ethereum. We saw those dark pool prints last week on GBTC. And hopefully you guys added to your positions or got into it if you weren't in it. This has been phenomenal. We're going to be bullish above 23,200 for Bitcoin futures and bear below 22,700. If I just show you that daily chart here. Oh yeah, momentum, definitely. Look at the volume. Insane. Yeah, it looks very J-hooky, right? Yeah, total J-hook pattern here. And yeah, just really bullish. A 4 crossed over the 8, bullish momentum, and it's probably going to turn, it's kind of parabolic at this point, but we're just going to trade it level to level. All right, we're going to go to the individual stocks now. Let's put this away. Let's go to SPCE. I really couldn't find too many whispers today. To be honest, I don't want to force it on quadruple witching, but we love this trade. It already moved, so if you have the app, I sent this out individually to you, earlier before, it went lower, but 24 was that key level, and we've gone down and hit all the targets. Now, what to watch now? How do you trade this now? And this is the biggest question my traders ask me. Steph, it hit all your targets. What do I do now? Well, this is why you want to learn how to do this yourself, right? So you don't have to be dependent on me. Let's just go to SPCE. And, all right. So we're going to be bearish below 23 or 2250. Yeah, depending on where we're at the open. A lot of you trade pre-market and grab this trade. But for those of you that don't, 23 would be my next level below, and 2250 if you missed that. We've already kind of come down there once already. Okay, so I am doing a one live trading boot camp coming up in February 4th, right? If you want to learn how to do this in one day. Yeah, it's kind of boot camp on crack. Definitely join me. We do have an early bird special happening now, and I'll teach you how to map these out. So NEO, we're going to be bullish above 46 and bear below 45.25 for NEO. We have older prints on this, but they haven't really been bouncing off them at all, but I just wanted to post them for you just so you had them. Thank you, Paul, for that reminder. Okay, CCL stuck still. Is it going to go up or is it going to go breaking down here, right? We'll be bullish above 22 today and bear below 21.25. Apple, this was a great trade this week. Hope you guys grabbed this one. Phenomenal trade. Bullish above 129.25. I don't really love the long trade when we're coming up to a major level like 130. There's going to be sellers there. But this really has had so many dark pool prints. Yeah, we'll see if it'll break, above that major level, and it's a trend line right there. Okay, so that's going to be key resistance to watch. Bear below 126.50 for Apple. Next is BlackBerry. Yeah, bullish above 825. If it can pull itself up there, or we have this gap trade, gap fake out, but I did a trade just down to the 20 simple moving average. Bear below 780, bull above 825. Tesla has been a beast. I know a lot of my traders in the Java pit own this long term, so awesome. Yeah, awesome investment for you guys. Bullish above 670 today, bear below 640. Yeah, look at that. It went to 666, huh? Some mark of the beast. Oh, boy. Let's go to the next one. Microsoft. Microsoft bullish above 220. And this was an incredible swing off the Dark Pool Insights. For those of you that have that, that's my swing trades I put out every Saturday. It might be an evening star pattern right here. Yep, if it closes weak, almost a little mini hanging man. 220 is a major level. If it can break for the swing trade, if we can break above this, there's our next trade. But bullish above 220.25 today, bear below 217.50 for a retracement down to the 8 EMA probably. Okay, that's it. That's all I got for you. That's all I could really map out with the pre-market volume this morning for day trades. Please be careful. All right, it's quadruple witching. I don't want any emails saying, oh my gosh, today's trading was really bad. Why didn't you warn us? I'm warning you right now. Go ahead and go to the gym. Yeah, take a day off. Yep, if you don't have positions, go ahead and take the day off. I promise, next week will be much easier. It could be definitely, it's actually been witchy all week, if you probably felt it, right? So yeah, take the day off. I would, but I'm teaching boot camp today, and we have amazing stuff coming up this afternoon. So, yep, see you guys later. Have a great weekend. Until next time, happy trading.
Not thinking that's my secret.